In a world where health is paramount, there is one cause that affects the lives of millions of people: breast cancer. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a month to unite, educate, and spread awareness about this issue.
Join us on this journey as we talk to different people from all walks of life, sharing their thoughts and experiences regarding breast cancer. Together, we aim to spread awareness, debunk myths, and inspire action.
So, have you heard about Breast Cancer Awareness Month?
No, I'm not aware that there is any month dedicated to Breast Awareness Month.
No, I was not aware of this.
If I'm not wrong, it's around like the end of the year.
I'm not sure. I think it's July.
I've seen a few Instagram posts and people promoting Breast Cancer Awareness Month. However, I'm not sure of which month is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Maybe October or November.
So, are you aware of Breast Cancer Awareness Month?
Yes, I am. We have been running a lot of campaigns across our organizations for this particular month. So I'm fully aware of this particular month being used for the breast cancer awareness.
So, are you aware of any symptoms of breast cancer?
Not really.
Irritation and swelling comes and some redness.
Most commonly seen symptoms would be lump in the breast or armpit area, redness, swelling in that area.
I guess they can't breastfeed.
Redness, then swelling, also blood discharge from the nipple.
So people say the texture of your breast and the shape and everything changes. There's lumps and there's redness and swelling.
So, can you tell us about some symptoms or like some risk factors around breast cancer?
So regarding the symptoms, I've only heard is about the occurrence of a lump in the breast, and the risk factor is that like many people in my family who have had breast cancers, they generally later years they tend to have is the uterus cancer also. It goes in some other part of the body also, and especially uterus, ovaries in the females.
What do you think are the myths or the misconceptions that you've heard about regarding breast cancer?
One myth which is very strange, which I've heard, is that the nipples get chopped off when you have cancer, which I think is completely wrong.
Okay, I think people often tell that wearing a wrong bra cup size may affect. I don't think so that's the reason, or if it is, I'm not sure about that.
So the major misconceptions that I would say is that only women can get breast cancer, or that young individuals do not get breast cancer, and people at risk are only the people with a family history. I think all these are just myths and that it needs to be debunked.
I've heard that if you do a lot of physical exercise, you can get breast cancer. The women can get breast cancer.
The most common one I've heard about breast cancer in itself would probably be that it only happens to middle-aged women and not like younger people. And there's some ridiculous ones also, like deodorant under your arms causes breast cancer and stuff like that.
Yeah, people say that if you wear a bra which has wire, then it leads to cancer, which I think is a myth. And also sometimes people think that it comes as like after a certain age, which again is a myth, because I have had sister-in-laws who have had it like in their early 20s also.
How important do you think it is to for everyone to be aware of breast cancer and its awareness, regardless of gender?
I believe it is absolutely important. The more you are aware, the more you can spread to the world about how you can prevent it. So until you know the nuances of this disease, how you can come up with preventive measures, you cannot ever stop this disease from occurring. So in order to understand what the pain lies with this disease, the kind of impact it can have, it is important we spread awareness among all people, irrespective of genders, class, so that we can completely eradicate this disease to the core.
It is very important for people to know about this cause or this issue they are going through, and raising up new public campaigns and many other public awareness programs would help them know about it.
we can educate people what it is and how we have to treat it, because I have also known various people, like one of my mom's friend, she also had breast cancer but she battled it through. So so I'll just say that it's curable, and if we spread awareness and spread right things about it, it would be easier and better.
So students, especially girls in schools and colleges, especially in colleges maybe, they can be asked is to do self-examination. So I think that would help them a lot.